Hey guys, Triple J Justin here. So I just want to give my prediction on where I think the crypto market cap will peak uh, this cycle, and I believe the cycle will end by the end of the year at the most. So my opinion, I would probably keep my money in until the peak of this year and then get out if you wanted to get out. But we might not have a traditional cycle, guys. There's a lot of things at play here. You got the pro crypto government, so that's something to look out for that could put a wrench in the regular cycle. You got Trump making a lot of big moves uh, that could affect the cycle. A lot of world problems going on, a lot of situations in different parts of the world going on right now in the world. Uh, so yeah, all this could affect the economic climate. Uh, so this is just my opinion. Now, I believe if the cycle is true and we keep up with that 4 year cycle and nothing really changes it, uh, and what I mean by the cycle is it will peak and then it will start to fall back down and we'll go through the crypto winter again for another 4 years. But I mean, the theory on that is if nothing really changes throughout the world in crypto, whereas things are changing. It's a relatively new technology, the blockchain technology in crypto, and you got Trump making big moves in the crypto space with a pro crypto government. So that might maybe get rid of the cycle in a sense that you're not going to see the extreme volatility anymore if all of these things are at play. These regulations and rules are laid down. We might get a more stable environment, so we won't see the big downsides anymore, but we won't maybe see the big upsides as much either. So there's good and bad to it. But maybe we will still get cycles. They just won't be as drastic, right? You won't see you won't see Bitcoin like dropping like 70%. You know what I mean? Or the altcoin market just collapsing completely. You might just see a little like dip of like 20% for a couple year dip. You know what I mean? It won't be too bad. Or who knows? Maybe it will just keep on going up slowly. And it'll become more like the stock market, right? So it will still go up, it'll still go down, just not as volatile. But obviously, the stock market, there's a lot of volatile stocks too, and there's a lot of stocks that you can make money pretty quickly too. So we'll see how it plays out. But let's just say the regular cycle continues and we get the extreme volatility and we get the let's just say we get the big jump up in price by the end of this year and the peak happens like it has in the other cycles where we just get uh, a massive 10x of the whole market cap. And that's going to get to the point of my video, guys. What do I think that the crypto market cap will grow to during this cycle? And I believe the cycle will be this year. I think that if you look at the current market cap, it's at just over $3 trillion at this moment, January 8th, 2025, 12:20 p.m. It is exactly $3.14 trillion, and 1.9 trillion of that is Bitcoin, and then the rest is the altcoins. And then we got the second biggest one, Ethereum, at 315 billion right now. So, where do I see this going, guys? This is just my opinion. Like I said, anything can happen. Let's just be honest. That's why we get in crypto, because we want to make tons of money. But you got to understand, you could lose tons of money as well. But I think for those people that are in crypto know that have been in there for years, like me. So, and we got crypto. Let me just mention one more thing. We got crypto dominance. We got Bitcoin dominance at 60.74% right now, and we got Ethereum at 10.03%. So keep that in mind, how those will change during the peak. So we're at 3.14 trillion as of right now, guys. I say by the end of this year, the market cap is going to be $30 trillion. That's a 10x. 10 times 3, I got 30 trillion. Now, I don't know how we'll get there in the sense that I don't know what coins will perform in what way, but I think at the end of the day, all combined, all Bitcoin and all the altcoins, we're going to see $30 trillion, whether that's Bitcoin maintaining dominance and Bitcoin goes up to 500,000, whether that's Ethereum goes up to 10K, 20K a coin, whether that's XRP or Solana or another coin making a huge jump, whether that's the meme coins jumping up big, whether that's Litecoin, that's another sleeper, I feel like, going up to $1,000. I don't know how we'll get there, guys, but at the end of the day, I don't think it matters. I just think, well, it does matter depending on what coin you're in. I think you should do your research, invest in the coins you like. Don't spread out your money too thin into too many coins, but don't concentrate your money into too few coins as well. But obviously, it depends on how much money you have in general that you can spread out your money. My rule is I spread out my money between 10 coins. That's it. I don't go any more than 10 coins, any less. I used to do a lot more coins, and I didn't like that system. I just felt like I was spread out too thin. So my thing would be, guys, spread your money out into about 10 coins. Pick your favorite 10 coins. Do your research, what coins you like best. If you were going to just concentrate your money into a few coins, I mean, it's hard to go wrong with Bitcoin. I think Ethereum will make a comeback. But yeah, like I said, guys, do your research. That's just my opinion. But I think we're going to reach $30 trillion market cap. That would be my prediction, a 10x. But what coins will move what way, I don't know. But like, that's why I say, guys, you should put some money into different coins, not just Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin did already reach its all-time high this year. Solana did as well. And a lot of the other coins haven't, though. So there's a lot more potential upside for these other coins. But who knows? Maybe Bitcoin just keeps on riding up and it goes to 500K, goes up to 1 million. Who knows? I don't think it would go to 1 million, but you know what I'm saying, guys? That would just be my advice. My opinion is mix it up with some of these altcoins because there's more upside there. But it's hard to argue with Bitcoin. Each cycle, it's outperformed itself every time. Whereas as of right now, the altcoins, a lot of them haven't outperformed their last all-time high. But bear in mind, guys, this is the year of the peak. This is the peak cycle year. So don't count out the altcoins yet. Now, by the end of the year, if these coins still haven't moved, then I would start to thinking maybe I should just move all my money into Bitcoin. But until then, I would do what I say, guys, and spread your money out a little bit into these other alternative coins. But that's what I have for today's video, guys. Jump onto the crypto bandwagon.